Revisiting classical concepts of linear elastic fracture mechanics Part 3. The stress field in a double-edged knot finite strip by means of the stress neutralization technique. The stress field is obtained for the double-edged knot strip under the assumption of short notches. The notches are of parabolic shape. Depending on the choice of their characteristic parameters, the parabolas approximate either rounded bend notches or circular cavities or even mathematical edge cracks. The solution is obtained by imposing the opposite stress field to that of the intact stress strip along imaginary loci of the latter, which will stand as the boundaries of the notches. In this way, the shaded areas are stress neutralized and the intact strip is converted to the double-notched stress strip. This conversion is achieved by superposing the auxiliary problem 2 with opposite stresses to the original problem 1 as it is shown in the respective figures. The solution of the auxiliary problem 2 is achieved by the superposition of two additional subproblems, namely problem 3 and problem 4, referring to the single-edged knot strip, for which the solution has been described in part 2 of this series paper. The respective complex potentials solving the problem read as follows. The stresses are then obtained using Muskielisvili's well-known formula given below. The following stress diagrams provide the first validation of the analysis by fulfilling the boundary conditions. Comparison of the results of the present analysis for the stresses with the respective ones provided by Filippi et al. In their worldwide accepted solution reveals very good agreement between the two solutions, although they are obtained by different analytical techniques. A simple expression is provided for the stress concentration factor as follows. The stress concentration factor is here plotted as a function of the parameter alpha of the parabola. In addition, for the case of mathematical edge cracks, the present solution provides a simple formula for the mode 1 stress testing factor in terms of the external stress sigma 0 and the length c of the edge cracks. In conclusion, the method of stress neutralization technique could be proven a flexible analytical tool in confronting more complicated geometric discontinuities.